Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use Reactive Typing RGB effects on G512 X keyboard. So to use this cool feature, we're gonna have to connect our keyboard to the computer, then launch the GHub software on it, select our keyboard on the dashboard, then we're gonna have to go to the LightSync menu, open presets. Then in presets we're gonna have to select a particular effect which is called echo press. Then we're gonna have to select the background color for this effect. Let's go with something darker. And then we're gonna have to also select the echo color, so the color which our keys will be glowing after we press them. Okay. And after that we can also adjust the speed, so basically for how long our key will remain the same color after we pressed it. And that's it. As you can see, this effect is already working, and this is what it looks like on the keyboard itself. And that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.